I am back with a new MV reaction. So today is August 9th, 2017 and it's my 19th birthday! Yay, one more year and I'm 20. Oh my gosh, I'm getting old. Well, anyway, coming back to the MV reaction, Jessica is back with Summer Storm and she's like my favorite solo artist. Like, oh my gosh, I love her so much, and oh my gosh, I can't wait to watch it. So, oh my god, let's just go. Pretty. Oh, sounds so good. She's so pretty. We had a party. It was from a teaser. Oh, Cherry Blossom. She's oh, this is so nice. Oh, so pretty. This song sounds so good already. It's raining, it's not sunny. It's so beautiful. Like seriously, Jessica's so pretty. And she has such an angelic voice. Oh my gosh. She's so cute. Oh, it's full. She's so pretty. She's like my girl crush. Oh my gosh. And her outfits are really amazing. So cute. Cute together, and then she's all alone. Oh, it's winter. Oh my gosh. She's so pretty. I probably said it a few times. Sorry, but it's true. The song's amazing. She's having a party. Are these cornflakes? No. Pink dress. She is so pretty, especially when she's like standing in front of the window. It's a really beautiful shot. Oh my gosh. She's smiling. Oh my gosh, she was so freaking beautiful. Summer Storm, Jessica, Corridor Entertainment. But this was Jessica with Summer Storm, and I absolutely love the song, and the MV was also very beautiful. I'm going to listen to her album later on, and I still have to get like all of her albums, like her three solo albums, and because I loved like every album of her. With Love, J and Wonderland were fantastic, and now she's back with Summer Storm. I'm so excited. Or more like Summer Storm is like title track, but it's like My Decade, and yeah, I'm really excited for this, and I absolutely love it. Like I said from the beginning, she's like my queen. She's like my favorite solo artist. Oh my gosh, she's amazing. She looked so beautiful. She sang so beautiful. This MV was so beautiful. It is beautiful. Okay guys, so I hope you like this video, so please like, comment, and subscribe. Look in the description to find some other videos of me, and I think we'll see you next video. Bye!